This is the end result of our beef ribs and our beef neck bones. I want to show you how they came out so tender and delicious, just like they used to have the pork neck bones. We got some beef neck bones for those who do not eat pork and want that good, delicious taste of eating stewed down neck bones. This is what it really is all about, is stewing down. This is what this is. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what we used to eat down in West Dallas. Yeah, I thought I was going to say the South. Trick, yeah. Now, this recipe is what we used to call neck bones. Pork neck bones. You remember the pork neck bones that we used to eat when we was growing up? And people still eat those neck bones, pork neck bones. But since I don't eat any pork, I'm going to do the version of the neck bones, the pork neck bones, with the beef neck bones. The beef neck bones. The beef neck bones is not as meaty as the pork neck bones. Now, the pork neck bones, you know, people put that flavor in there, the onions and all that, and make them taste, you know, up to par. But I'm going to do these too. I'm going to make these neck bones, these beef neck bones, just as flavorful and delicious as they used to do the pork neck bones. I'm going to add to the recipe, I'm going to add some beef ribs. These are the beef ribs here. And I got them at Kroger's, and I'm going to cut them up in sections. And as I prepare the beef neck bones, I'm going to add this with it as well. I'm going to put black pepper. I'm going to put salt. I'm going to put jalapeno pepper, potatoes, and onions and mines. And we're going to sort of like smother them down with a little old light gravy. And we can eat them like we did the pork neck bones. Make sure you wash them in vinegar several times and rinse them real good before you cook them. They're going to have a little red, but not a lot of red. I want you to wash them real good because they need to be washed real good. All right, as soon as your water start boiling in your ribs and your beef neck bones, you pour this off and fill it with fresh water. All this needs to be poured off and replaced with good water. If you continue on seeing some of the white foam, just skim it off like this and you'll be fine. Just skim some of it off. It's going to be a little left over. Just skim it off. After you pour the first batch of water off, you can add your black pepper and salt, whatever ingredients you want it to cook down, because you want these to cook down all the way from here, all the way down to here. You want to cook them down to about halfway of this pot here. All right, at this state, I want you to start putting in your garlic, your onions, and your jalapeno and your celery. At this stage, you put all this in right now. So you're going to let this smother down for a minute or two, because that's why I said have your water all the way about half down to that pot, almost an inch. Yes, indeed. Now you put some more black pepper in there, more salt. But you see how much water you got in there? That's how much water you need, that liquid right there, about that much liquid left in here. Okay, and it's going to smother down. Now you might put a little bit more water in if you want to, but you don't have to. Just cut it down real good and let it simmer down. Then we're going to put our potatoes and our carrots on top. This is the end result of our beef ribs and our beef neck bones. I want to show you how they came out so tender and delicious, just like they used to have the pork neck bones.